guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Today we are doing a curl video and a review of these flat irons that I bought. They're very expensive curlers. They're called the T3, and we're going to do a first time review of these. So I'm going to be curling my hair with these, and of course Leo wants to join us. I'm going to be curling my hair with these and doing a first review. And yeah, let's just get into it. So I got 3 pieces with this curler set. My friend actually used this, so I can't do an unboxing. She asked to use my curlers. I thought she was talking about a different pair, but she opened my brand new box of curlers, and it's my fault because I said yes without asking which ones. So she did use them. But I haven't gotten a chance to use them, so this is my first time and we're going to rate. But yeah, without further ado, because I'm not going to talk too much, it's going to be a quick and easy video. Let's get into it. So I want to review some of the specs. So there are three curler heads, and you can change them. I think that I have the 1/2 inch, the 1 inch, and the 1.5 inch. I will edit this and do the right thing. If that's wrong, I'll put the right specs. So you have a bottom piece. I'm sorry, I just turned my bottom piece on. Let me turn it off. So you have a bottom piece, which is the power to the curling rod. So you just, and I haven't read the instruction manual, so I don't know how to lock this, and I'm never locking it right. But you push it in here, and then I guess you turn it to lock it. I don't exactly know how to lock it, but I keep it on. I'm keeping it on unlocked, and it's tight. It's not moving, so I'm gonna assume that's fine. I don't know how to lock it. I'll figure it out. But I've turned it on. I don't know how this part works either. I've tried. Like, I sat here and I tried to like figure it out before I use it. It's not like you click up 1 2 3 4 5. I think it just automatically goes to 5. I don't know. I did hear that these were really hot, so I guess I'm just gonna use it on 5. So I'm gonna let that warm up for a second, and I'm just gonna section my hair off, and I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna start with this section on this side, because it's up there on my makeup station. I think I got some lash glue on it. But it cleaned off really easy, so it might not stain as bad as other. Okay, so anyway, putting that hair in there, flipping it around, giving it a nice tug, and then wrapping it around. And this will be our initial first curl review. And I think Leo is just chilling with us today. They gonna sit down and behave. That's good. Let me see. Okay, that's a curl, baby. That is a curl, okay? A curl for the girls. I think I could have did better. I don't think it was a curler that could have did better. I think I could have did better. So let's try it with the next one, because I will not be going back and redoing it. My hair hold heat, and when you hold the heat in your head, it do not curl right. So I'm just gonna let that be my try. And this is a smaller piece. Let's see what results we have with this one. It definitely rolled through the curler a little bit better. It was less of that grab. That I think kind of kept this part from curling really good. And also I'm gonna just spray some hairspray, just a little bit to that one, since I don't feel like this is perfect. Ooh, now that's a good curl right there. Here, so I'm gonna take a little bit smaller pieces, but still taking a decent amount, because that curled really good. So, and I'm just curling this away from my face. Ooh. Okay, so that part is really hot. You want to make sure you keep from holding it up there, obviously. But it's no, it's straight, so just be careful. I think they work very quickly, very well. They're very luscious curls. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this out of my head and I will be right back.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. Too young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with who's swimming. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realized I got myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over,
Okay guys, so this is the moment of truth. I'm done curling. My experience curling was phenomenal. I feel like it was so easy, and these curlers really guide. Sometimes your hair gets stuck in the curlers a lot, and I don't think that happened here. It was an easy glide. It was an easy glide, not guide. When I was curling my hair, they are really hot. So they are really good curls. I didn't feel like I had to go over and do a lot of pieces, except for those like smaller pieces where the hair was just like straggling, which it does in a curler anyway. So I feel like big pieces work, medium pieces work, and they definitely have a good curl. I notice sometimes when I curl the second side, the other side has fallen. No curls have fallen. I am going to be brushing my curls out for this tutorial because I'm going for a big, sexy, voluptuous look. But these curls look pretty just as is without comb, and with natural falling, I think they will be beautiful. But I'm going to go ahead and brush this out for the sake of this video. And let's get it, y'all. So I'm going to start with this side. You just want to brush all the way through to the end, getting all your curls together, and just honestly, you know, bam. And I really like my lace is like coming up a little bit, but oh my god, the body in this freaking hair. I feel like an 80s glam girl already. Like, look at those curls, look at how they're holding. I love it so much. I'll focus my curl in the end there. So this part is just giving volume, and then the end is just giving curl, curl, curl. And oh my god, that's so beautiful. I love it so much. Okay, so let me do the other side. So I'm gonna just comb this forward and then comb all these curls out and down towards my face and curl it, pushing this towards my face, and then we're gonna swoop it backwards and brush it all backwards, and then we're just gonna pull that forward for this. Oh my god, y'all, I'm just loving this look. I did spray some spritz in it, so I did have to, you know, really pull my comb through there. But oh my goodness, y'all, these are some curls. These are some curls, y'all. These look so phenomenal. There is so much body in these curls. Oh my god, I found my new favorite curler. I don't know if I want this piece to be body, addy, or if I wanted to, well, I don't know what I want to do, y'all. I'm just gonna take my hot comb and oh, don't want to hot comb my curl now. I just hot comb my curl a little bit, but that's okay. I'm just loving the way that it's looking, the way that it's laying. I'm just going in with my hot comb and touching up the insides of my hair just so they can lay really flat. I don't want that frizz look. And after you do that, you can go ahead and just comb those curls out just one more time. They will stay. You don't have to worry about them going away because these curls are not playing with me. They are here to stay, okay? I think these curls are going to last me more than a day if I sleep with my hair tied up, which I usually don't. So I think they would last me a day if I actually took care of my hair the way I should. Come on, y'all. Ooh. Oh baby, ooh baby, ooh baby, ooh baby. These are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful curls. They look phenomenal. Like, I really am loving it. Just spraying some spritz to give it that flat look, that polished look. Oh my goodness, y'all. Are y'all loving these curls or what? I literally love these curls. They are beautiful. I feel so pretty. Why am I whispering? I feel so pretty. Oh my god. So that took me about 30 minutes to curl my hair, and I really just took my time. I think if I didn't take my time, it would have been quicker. I did do smaller sections. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm looking for my brush to just, even though my makeup looks beautiful. Oops. Wrong powder. Even though my makeup looks beautiful, I just want to touch it up real quick. Oh my god, this is my MAC powder. Y'all know about my powder from my makeup tutorials. It is a must-have, especially if you got some shine, you just want to get down real quick. And just to set your face overall, it is the best, okay? It's the best. I'm just brushing those edges back down. And oh my god, if this ain't a look, y'all, I feel like all I need to do is get dressed and put my look together, and I am date night ready. I wish I had a date tonight because I look good. But anyway, y'all, I'm done talking. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. This is the finished hair look, and I am gonna take some pictures tonight, so hopefully I have some pictures for y'all to look at with this hair, because I'm not going nowhere because it's 10:30 and I have missed the entire event that I was supposed to be going to. So just so you guys know, you're a priority, okay? I'll see y'all in the next video, and thank you for watching. It's your girl Paris. Bye y'all.